Welcome back, guys. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can update the state or change the state and create like an event for that, like a click event or something. So first of all, let me just get rid of these two statements and see in the previous example I just showed you like this. In the constructor, we can create a state of this state, and we have named a state as a student, and here we have passed that into as properties called as name and age, and here we have the name as Raju and age as 30. So this state dot student dot name and this dot state dot student dot age we are displaying in the student.js component. So this is what is happened till now. So now what I'm going to do is just before this student component, I'm going to just create a button so that I can have a click event on this particular button. So I will say like this, okay, change name, okay, change name and age. See, our button is going to say change name and age. So let me just go to the browser and show you that we have this particular button, and whenever I click on this button, this Raju and age is going to get changed, means the state are going to get updated. So let's go back to the browser, and here see, since it is a class based component, okay, I just have to say I'm going to say name change event or handler or something like that. You can handler, okay, and I'm going to create it as a function, arrow function, like this, okay, and this function, okay, is going to update the state. Okay, so how it is going to update the state is because using this dot set state function. Okay, set state is a function which takes object as one of the parameters. So I have used the curly brace to make an object. So what object it is going to take is this object I'm going to take. So let me just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, and I don't need two times, so I'll just remove it one time. So it's taking the state which is student, and this is its properties. Okay, you can say like a key value properties. Now it's going to update the state. Okay, set state as something else. I'm going to say Mark. Okay, and his age, I'm going to update it to 50. So this is how we are going to make it change. Okay, and now here I'm going to create one more function. Okay, like let me just copy this only, paste it over here. Okay, I'll say original names. Okay, or I can say like this, show original names. Okay, I'm going to say I have one more function called as show original names, and this previous state only I'm going to copy paste it over here. Okay, where the name was Raju and age was 30. Okay, so I have two functions right now. Okay, and let me just create one more button like this. Okay, and here I'm going to say show original names. Show original names. So I have two buttons right now. Okay, one will call the name change handler function, and another one will call show original names function. So let me just copy this one, and here let's make an on click event. Okay, so on click, okay, I have to use this curly brace and say in this class there is a function called as name change handler. It will change the name of the states, or it will update the state. Okay, and here I'm going to create one more on click event on this particular button, and I'll say in this class there is a function called as show original names. Okay, so it is going to call that particular function. Okay, now let me just get rid of this extra white spaces so that we can see the entire code in one shot. Okay, so this is our render function. Okay, and here also let me just make this at the top, and see, this is the entire code right now, the two functions, okay, on which we have created the on click events on these two buttons. Okay, let me just save this one. Let's go to the browser and see. Right now the name says Raju and the age is 30, and when I click on this name change, change name and age button, okay, the name should get changed to Mark and age as 50. So let me just click on this, and as you can see, when I clicked on this button, name changed to 50, and sorry, name changed to Mark and age changed to 50. Now if I click on this original name, show original names, okay, it goes back to Raju and the age goes back to 30. Okay, so this is how you can update the states, okay, with an event. It can be an on click event, it can be any other type of event which updates the state. Okay.